Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to create a GIF on X. So open X and you have to start a new post by tapping this blue plus icon in the bottom right. Now tap the camera icon and please make sure that you're on the GIF section. Now start recording short video and the GIF will be created automatically. Additionally, you can tap Retake button. If you're not happy with the recording, then you have to retake a GIF. And finally, when you're satisfied, you have to select Use GIF. Additionally, you can add some commentary to your post. And finally, tap Post button in the top right corner of the screen to post this tweet with a GIF in it. So that's basically how we can create a GIF on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.